On To Your Health, the story of a nurse who lost her nose to cancer and the amazing surgery that restored it.
Robin Garrison joins us now with a fascinating story on To Your Health, a new procedure that's given a Philadelphia woman a new nose.
That's right, Robin, Chris, we do want to warn you a little bit. First, the story is very graphic, and it might make you a bit squeamish, but we think it's an important story. It's about a woman who was horribly disfigured and who now looks pretty good. The patient is Doris Quirk, a nurse at Metropolitan Hospital's Parkview Division. About a year ago, doctors discovered a cancerous lump on Doris's nose that went so deep that Doris's entire nose had to be removed. Doris was left with just 2 holes to breathe through. She tried a prosthesis and couldn't get used to it, so for a year she wore bandages to cover the place where her nose used to be.
You sort of get used to Band-Aids after a while. You know, there were times I would go out the door and forget to put them on. Well, you know, I could clear a room without those Band-Aids.
Finally, Dr. Ted Eisenberg told Doris about a procedure being pioneered at the Hershey Medical Center. A silicone bag was placed in Doris's forehead, and every week another ounce of saline would be injected into the bag, stretching the skin. After 3 months, doctors had enough extra facial skin to sew up the forehead and build Doris a new nose. Dr. Eisenberg uses his tie to demonstrate how he did it.
The flap is raised from the forehead, the expanded tissue, and it is folded like this to provide lining inside of the nose, and then it is folded again to create the sides of the nose and the center portion of the nose, and then it is folded back and the artery comes in through here in the tie and then turned down from the forehead to the new position on the nose.
The artery to the forehead is twisted down with the extra skin to supply blood to the new nose. That accounts for the lump you see here. Today, Dr. Eisenberg went in again to set the artery into the nose and remove the lump. The stitches will come out in a week or so, and Doris will have a nose that's good as new, made from the skin of her forehead.
I love it. You don't realize what this means to me. This is the greatest thing in the world to me, this nose. I just love it.
The most amazing thing you ever heard in your life.
Wow.
Yeah, first time it's been done in the Delaware Valley. Just amazing.
That's a miracle.
Yeah.
That was very good, the way he did that with his tie.
They just
Really
twist it
tell.
right down.
Okay, Robin, thank you.